Hi, I'm Mahdi, and today in this quick video I'm gonna just tell you a kind of like a fix for an error, which is a referral was returned from the server. This little thing usually happens when want me to continue? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Also, mahdiabedi.com is my website, which there you can find my contact me found projects. Okay, after you subscribe and like the video and share and post or comment below, then let's see. This little error will happen when uh, at least it happened for me when I installed the newest NVDA 2022.1, and I'm gonna show you a quick fix for that thanks to the website I just saw it on. So here in this quick fix, I'm gonna find NVDA shortcut, then I'll press the context menu key, application key, and then I'll go to properties, and if I press shift tab I can hear a tab control shortcut tab. Then I press right arrow once, compatibility tab. Here, if I press tab and shift tab I can walk between menus. Let me press tab until run this program as an administrator. This little thing can be checked. Also, okay, change settings for all users, and also here I'll press enter on it. When I press tab until I find run this program as an administrator, I will check it, and I will tap OK. So the easiest steps are that on the shortcut you press the applications key, you go to properties, then you press shift tab and right arrow once. Then if you press tab until you find run this program as an administrator, you'll check this checkbox. Also, you should press tab 1, 2. So maybe 1 or 2 more tabs. Then if you change setting for all users, if you press enter or space here, and if you press tab, you can find run this program as an administrator, and if you check it and you tap OK, and again OK, then NVDA will work for you. So in this quick video we learned that if we installed NVDA 2022.1, how we can get it to work. You can, for example, when you installed your NVDA and like it stopped working, you can run the setup again and then NVDA speaks, right? Then you can do these things by that, or you can run narrator for that. I hope this thing was useful for you. See you.